Use of less water, fertilizer, and pesticides seems it could be a major crop in the future, not just for Pakistan but most countries around the world. Cellulose-rich fiber, which is an effective ingredient in the making of paper, rope, construction and reinforcement materials. This is hemp. Hemp is locally it is known as bhang. It grows everywhere. It has been growing abundantly like this year after year. No pesticides, no fertilizer, no water. It grows naturally without any assistance. It grows like a pest in many areas. One can see it along the roadsides, like many other weed and grasses. Local authorities spend huge amounts, every year, in financial resources to remove it from residential areas and parks. Now the government of Pakistan has realized its potential. In September 2020, the Pakistani government approved industrial hemp production, legalizing hemp, and allowing hemp farming in agricultural sectors. Pakistan is an agricultural country, and for a product like hemp, it makes a lot of industrial sense to utilize it as a new cash crop. Hemp is a type of cannabis plant that is used commonly for medicinal purposes. Due to its cannabidiol (CBD) concentration, considering the many other benefits of hemp production, this landmark decision brings exciting possibilities for many areas in Pakistan. Since the economy of Pakistan has been long in need of a boost, the new approved hemp production and legalization is set to bring economic benefits to the country. Pakistanis have now realized the economic benefits of hemp production, which can help not only with jobs, but also bring in much needed foreign exchange. Practical steps have now been taken and second experimental crop has now been harvested under strict security protocols. Officials in Pakistan's government have encouraged hemp legalization process. Policy making and production. This decision can help efforts to relieve fiscal deficits and Pakistan's struggling economy. Considering the industrial hemp market is worth about $25 billion a year globally, Pakistan is well placed to tap into this lucrative product for much needed foreign exchange. Exports in hemp products can target CBD oils and cannabis-based products that can lead to sustainable cotton replacement during slowdowns periods within the cotton industry. Cotton industry could be the biggest beneficiary from commercial production after the recent floods that have really shown the negative impacts of climate change in Pakistan. Hemp could provide sustainable replacements for cotton in many areas. Hemp production in Pakistan is most exciting to the workforce, especially for farmers participating in hemp markets and those Working within the cotton industry, cultivating hemp will create more jobs for the small-scale farmers responsible, but more importantly, become a sustainable replacement for cotton in Pakistan's markets. As the fourth biggest cotton producer in the world, Pakistan's cotton production has been declining due to climate change, water scarcity, locust attacks, and industrial imbalances, such as declining prices and low-grade seeds. The hemp plant's stalk has strong properties of cellulose-rich fiber, which is an effective ingredient in the making of paper, rope, construction and reinforcement materials. Due to its strong fiber components, hemp, therefore, makes for a worthy sustainable replacement to cotton. The medicinal properties of hemp can be the most lucrative for export. The chemical cannabidiol, CBD, within the plant. Cannabis is seen as medically beneficial as the cannabinoid compound is said to relieve pain and regulate appetite, mood, memory, inflammation, insulin sensitivity and metabolism. Hemp is also a valuable food supplement, incorporated in gluten-free products to increase nutritional value from hemp's higher levels of fiber and proteins. Hemp is being used in traditional medicine for hundreds of years. Local herbalists treat many ailments with different parts of hemp plant. Use of less water, fertilizer, and pesticide seems it could be a major crop in the future, not just for Pakistan but most countries around the world.